Hi, I'm Sarah Garza. I'm a former educator, current content manager with Teacher Created Materials, and today I'm here to do an unboxing of the Untold Stories kit. So I've got the box in front of me. We can jump right in. The Untold Stories kit uses fascinating, engaging, but frequently untold stories of real people and events. And this kit is really going to bring some relevancy, some purpose, some excitement into any literacy curriculum. So inside the box, there are 25 different text cards. They are full color. They are culturally and linguistically responsive. They are grade level text. They are standards based. So let me pull out a folder here so you can see it. Inside the folder, you will find 6 copies. So again, there are 25 cards, 6 copies of each one. On the back of each card, there is key vocabulary, a timeline of important events, and also character education. And then the folder that it comes in has your lesson on the exterior. And the lesson covers diversity, vocabulary, writing, reading, speaking and listening, social emotional learning, and content knowledge. So it really allows you to hit all of the bases that you need, or if there's just one area that you know your students really need to focus on and reinforce, you can just select, the social emotional learning lesson, let's say, and zoom in there. So 25 of these. There's also a management guide, and I'll pull that out for you here so you can see it. Your management guide is going to include research, best practices, pacing guide. There are also additional biography mini lessons in here, culminating activities, and rubrics that you can use to assess any of the assignments you have your students doing. So there's no need to go outside of this kit for anything. You don't have to make anything. You don't have to piece things together. Everything you need is here. And all of this text, there is English language learner support. There is differentiated, like scaffolded learning. It's all built in. So there's really nothing here that you need to create that's extra. In addition, we have our last component, the digital resources. So here we've got PDFs of the text cards, PDFs of the student pages, audio, video, images. So it really allows you to reinforce everything here on a digital platform. Or if you're someone who's teaching virtually this year, 100% virtual, you can use this kit for that. If you're someone who is in an in-person classroom, you can use this kit there. And if you're doing some form of hybrid instruction, Untold Stories can support you there as well. You can request more information about this product by clicking below and filling out the request form. Thank you so much for joining me on this unboxing journey of Untold Stories. I will see you next time.